Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are sitting on the floor in my craft room and I had mentioned that I had gotten a bunch of cute gift wrap items for Christmas and a couple of you wanted me to show you. So here I am, and I figured I'd stay on the floor. That way I could just kind of move around and show you everything that I got because, you know, gift wrap is kind of big sometimes. So I'll start over here at gift bags and just kind of move around the room. I'll show you everything I got and hopefully I'll remember where I got them. If you have any questions, let me know. I love gift wrap ever since I was a little girl. My twin sister and I used to just couldn't wait to go to the Hallmark store to buy gift wrap and ribbon and stuff for wrapping Christmas gifts. So it continues into my adulthood. So anyway, this year I am definitely going with the pastel theme. Sometimes I go with more of a traditional color scheme for Christmas wrapping paper and gift bags and stuff, but I don't know, I've just been really gravitating towards pink and aqua and that sort of thing lately. So that's mostly what I got. So let me show you. First is this bag that it's just one of those big reusable bags. This one is from Burlington. It was 99 cents and you can see on the side it says Burlington deals. I like using these either for big gifts or just to, like, you know, put my gift wrap in to keep it organized, or to, you know, organize gifts, like one bag for my daughter, one for my son, that kind of thing. And I thought this one was really, really cute with the snowman on them. I've gotten other ones at you know, Marshalls and Home Goods and stuff, but I really like this one from Burlington this year. It's even got like a cat snowman. The snowman's on his phone. They're just adorable. So there's that one. And this one I showed you already. A couple of the things I'm showing you today I had already shown you, but I figured I'd include them in this gift wrapping video. So this is a little gift bag that was $1.58, and this is in the gift wrap, like the Christmas gift wrap section at Walmart, and it's really, really cute. It's just kind of like a medium, small to medium sized bag, I guess. So always need gift bags at Christmas. It's got a little glitter on it, but it's not shedding. So I don't like to use like glitter gift wrap or glitter gift bags usually because they shed so much, but this one doesn't, and there's not that much on there anyway. So there's that one. This one I showed you already too. It came with another bag that I already gifted, but this one has the Santa on it with the cute deer and the wreath around them. The other side looks like that as well. This came from Home Goods, by the way, and it was $1.99 for two. This sticker is really hard to get off, so I don't know, I could try to use heat maybe, but I'm afraid that it's going to melt the plastic. I don't know, if you guys have any recommendations for how to get this off, let me know. But yeah, I thought this was really, really cute. So there's that. And then this I had ordered from the Hallmark, well, the Hallmark store, you know, hallmark.com, because every year I order ornaments. I give my kids keepsake ornaments every year, and yeah, so for other people too. So I ordered these little gift bags. I didn't know that they were going to be so small. That's my fault for not reading the dimensions, but it's 6 gift sacks, but they are so cute. I mean, look at the cute little retro prints. So yeah, these are on hallmark.com. If they're still there, I will link them down below. So it comes with 3 different prints. These aren't really pastel. I guess this one more is. Yeah, I guess, you know, kind of. They have red in them too, but I just love how vintage they are. So I got those. And if you want to see the dimensions again, that's what they are. So very cute, but just smaller than I thought. And then I got this pack of gift bags. I think this was from Home Goods. Oh no, sorry, TJ Maxx. So it was $5.99. These are by Cupcakes and Cashmere. Sorry, where's the actual tag? Okay. Gift bag set. So it comes with 3 of them, I believe. So I think I've had these in past years. I just love them. They're so cute. So there's this bag, and these are like medium to large, I would say. I love the print on the bag itself. And then it's shaped like a gingerbread house. It's got like the raised gingerbread cookie. Oh, sorry, got to shift. I'm sitting on the floor, like I said. Then there's like a Christmas tree cookie, a little bit of glitter, doesn't shed. It even comes with the tag. So that's the first one. The second one is more of like a traditional bag shape, but it does have scalloping along the top, and it's gold trim. There's gold trim, metallic trim on all of these. So this one is really, really cute too. And then this one is a house as well, but it's a little bit different than the first one. If you could see, it's actually a lot different. And this one, oh, it has a door that opens. Oh, that's so cute. I didn't even notice that, right? It's got a little Gingy and a snowman cookie on the inside. So really cute bags. I just could not resist those. So that's that. And then if we move over a little, I'm just going to move, I have my tripod down here. I got these boxes at Walmart, and they're by Hallmark. And if you notice, they match the little gift bags that I got at the Hallmark website. So this comes with 10 bags, 10 medium bags, yeah, for $5.98, which is not bad at all. And they are by Hallmark, so you know that they're good quality. And yeah, always need gift bags or gift boxes, right? So these are, it says medium, but these are, you know, these are a good shirt box size. So that's the size I usually need anyway. So I got those. And then I picked up this set of boxes too. This was from, I'm pretty sure this was TJ Maxx, and that was $4.99. These are by Jingles and Joy. They're a set of 5 shirt boxes. So are these bigger? Yeah, they're a little bit bigger than the Hallmark ones. So this will be good for like sweaters or robes or something like that. So aren't these so pretty? Let's open this up so we could see what they look like inside. I brought my scissors over just in case. I tried to open things in advance, but forgot this one. So this, it's glittered a little bit, and it does come off a little, so just be aware. But yeah, so cute. I love the cookie pastel theme. Oh, and I guess they're all the same. Okay, I didn't realize that. So, aren't those cute? Had to have those. And then I did get these tags. These were from Home Goods, I'm pretty sure. They were $4.99, set of 3 holiday gift tags, peel and stick gift tag rolls. So I did try to open this first. It's by Tinsel and Trims Company. So let's see. Okay, so I love peel and stick gift tags. I like to make my own gift tags, of course, for my gifts. But sometimes you just need a peel and stick one. And if my kids are like giving presents to people, or my husband, they're not going to make their own tags. So this is perfect for them. And I thought that they went really well with the wrapping paper that I picked out and the gift bags. So these are really, really cute. So I got those. Oh, I just love the gift wrap at Marshall's and Home Goods and TJ Maxx. It's just so pretty. All right, let's move over. And these are the rolls I picked out. So this one I've had before. This one is by Clementine, and it was $7.99, and it's 30-inch by 40-inch. This is such great quality, and I just love this print. If you take a look at that. Gina, remember we both had this? Gina's Scrapinology, of course. And so when I saw it out again, I just had to buy it. And this has gold trim on it as well, or gold accents. And it's just so, so cute. I love this paper. Obviously, I bought it again. And then this one, this was a huge roll. This is by Cupcakes and Cashmere. This one, I think, was Home Goods as well. It was $7.99, and it's not glittered or foiled. It's just got like cookie trees and just things like Cupcakes and Cashmere like puts out for decor. So I love this. I actually bought this one first, and this is probably all I need because it's a jumbo roll. It's 100 square feet, heavyweight gift wrap. So, but I just bought this because I haven't seen it. So I might save this one for next year. I'm not sure. All right, so those are the 2 gift wrap rolls. Let's move over. And sorry for the shadows. I showed you guys this already. This is tissue paper from Walmart, $2.98, and it's got the 4 different designs, well, 2 designs, and a pink and white as well. 50 sheets, 30 of them are white, which is fine, 10 printed, 10 solid. I also get the huge pack of white tissue paper that you can get at Costco, and I use that throughout the year, but I didn't bring that over because it's already unwrapped and stuff. But I do have that. This is really just for like pretty presents or, you know, into gift bags. And then I showed you this ribbon already. This is from Joann's, and you can get it really on sale. It's this pretty grosgrain ribbon. Oh boy, that shadow's really bad. And it's got, it's pink with peppermints on it. And then, did I show you this one? I'm not sure if I did. This is from Home Goods, $5.99. And it's, excuse me, 5/8 of an inch by 50 yards. And it's this really pretty sheer ribbon. Let's open this up. As you guys know, my craft room is in my basement, so I have no natural light, so I get crazy shadows. Hang on one second. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's sheer pink ribbon, but it's got like an iridescent kind of shine to it. Isn't that pretty? So it's just a very pale pink. Of course, it looks darker when it's all together on the roll, but I think you could, you know, pass this off as like white or something too. So I thought that was beautiful. I love the trims that you can get at, you know, Home Goods and stuff too. And then this roll I got at Home Goods. I took the wrapper off, and I think I took the price off too. I'm not sure. Oh, you know what? No, I got this at Marshalls.com because I was placing an order for a bunch of stuff and I saw this on there too. So this is really pretty like wire trim wide ribbon. It's pink with white Christmas trees on it. It's by Cupcakes and Cashmere and it's 10 yards. So if you like put ribbons on your trees, this would be great. Or if you make bows for wreaths. But I think I'll use this for gift wrapping. So I got that. And then we're almost done. I picked up 2 things of bows. Here, let me just move over. Maybe we can move the shadows a little too. Sorry for the movement. Okay, so I got these bows from Walmart, and these were pretty cheap. I think they were like a couple bucks. Does it say? I'm sure it says somewhere. Oh, there it is. $2.98 for 20 assorted gift bows. And these have like candy cane ones with some pink on them, some like gold or holographic ones. So I had bought these first before I found the other ones I'm going to show you, but I thought these were gorgeous and they match, you know, a lot of the wrapping paper and gift bags I got already. But then I saw these at Home Goods, so I picked them up as well. These are 24 gift bows. Oh, 1 roll of ribbon. I didn't even see that. By Rachel Zoe, 25, and this was $7.99 from Marshalls. So really pretty colors. There's hot pink, white, light pink. Let's get out my scissors just so we could see the texture and stuff. Oh, these are so pretty. They're like velvety ribbons. Oh, that shadow is just terrible. Okay. And there's gold on the inside of them. So pretty. Yeah, so this will look so nice on gifts. And there's the white one. Oh, that one's coming apart a little, but we can fix that. And then there's a lighter pink. So these you could save from year to year, you know, if you don't use them all at once, and just, you know, keep them for other presents throughout the year, not just at Christmas, you know. So that is all I have for gift wrap so far. I hope you enjoyed my little tour. Let me move this over again. Whoops, just moving my tripod. And yeah, so I figured I would do it this way so I don't, you know, need to take up any of my Friday haul with gift wrap. So I hope you enjoyed this different little video. Let me know what you think, and I will be back on soon with more hauls and crafty videos. If you have any questions, again, please let me know. Until the next time, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and please like this video if you enjoyed it. All right, guys, take care. Bye.